Hello and welcome to another Enterprise UK plugins demonstration. Today I'm going to demonstrate the price import plugin, which is a really neat plugin for essentially updating stock items, whether that's a supplier part, codes, updated supplier price, updating the wholesale or retail price in the system. So if we go to inventory, got a new menu item called price importer. Obviously I've got a few options in here. What I'm going to do initially is I'm just going to export our stock system essentially. Now these are all the fields that I can export and obviously import, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to check these to make the export a little bit more simple. So I'm going to do description, supplier's name, supplier part code, supplier cost price, wholesale price and retail price. Okay. Okay, so that's exported our suppliers, our items. And what we find here, if we just sort of zoom out a little bit, so we can see here we've got our item code, essentially item name, description, supplier name, supplier part code. I don't know if I've got any examples here. Oh yeah, here we are down here. You can see here these guys, a UK supplier and a US supplier. This is the same item, but it's got the same supplier. It's got two different suppliers on it. So this one will update the actual all these other fields, and this one you can see there it's only got a description for the top one. This here is obviously all the US bits and pieces, and the top one is the UK one. So if we actually we use this one as an example. So if I say, let's just this feels like supply part code. So if we say UK t-shirt, subcode, and if we say US t-shirt subcode, and then we can change the price as well. So let's just change that to 15 and that to 8 and that to, that's the retail price. You see, because that is only relevant, there's only one of those things relevant. You can't have like a UK retail price and a US retail price, only appears once. So as I've updated that, so let's save that. Okay, we'll ignore these other ones actually. You can tell we'll create a USD and a UK supplier import. Close that down, come back into Enterprise, and we can import, choose our USD and UK supplier import, and then start importing. Okay, so that's successful. Let's go and have a look at our Danger t-shirt. So you can see there, got UK t-shirt subcode, US t-shirt. I think I updated my price as well, so that's £8, and then on the US one we've got our price in there as well. And what I also did is updated our retail and wholesale prices, which were £16 and £20. Okay, normally speaking, what you probably do is actually import supplier prices for a particular supplier, and obviously the same applies for exporting them as well. So what I can do is I include a UK supplier here. I can export. Let's just choose all the fields for this one. And what that's done is actually exported just the items that have got the UK supplier attached to them. So you can see all my bits and pieces. So here I can change this one, ABC. Obviously that's the one that we've already done. This is the handgun, so we could change that to 5, 6, 7, 8. And also I can update the lead times. I can give all these lead times if I wanted to. Usual order quantity, we can update those. Supplier cost price, we might want to change that on the frame. Let's say it's £100 now. And obviously the wholesale and retail prices you've already seen. And you do promotional pricing as well. Again, let's save that. Okay, close down that, come back into our price importer, UK supplier import, okay, successfully updated those. If we go and have a look at our frame, see the frame has been updated, usual order quantity as well has been updated. I don't think I updated any wholesale or retail prices, did I, on that item? Let's go back down to the, I think we did something on the handgun, didn't we? So there you go, my supplier's part code there has been updated. I also think I possibly updated my price as well. You can also bring in foreign currency price lists as well. So for example, if you wanted to import a Euro price list or a USD price list, you could also do that as well as the GBP one. Okay, I think that pretty much brings to the end the supplier's price import plugin. Many thanks for your time. I'll log out.